Hello, I'm Avishi. I'm a first year IPM student at IIM Jammu and I was enrolled in the Career Launcher Classroom program at the Noida Center. The classroom program was very beneficial to me and the focus that comes from a classroom environment cannot be replicated ghar pe. So now that the JIPMAT exam is in less than 2 weeks, let me give you some last minute tips for the exam. Firstly, मेरे लिए सबसे helpful चीज was revising all of the mistakes that I made पहले. So I went through all of the questions that I had solved and I specifically picked the questions that I had gotten wrong multiple times. And I went through the step-by-step procedure of solving those questions. Is time paid, don't try to learn new concepts because that's just going to be a waste of time and you won't be able to focus on revision. Go through all of the formulas from all of the topics and also all of the little concepts that you had learned from every single chapter. JIPMAT में of course higher level questions नहीं आते हैं, so try to focus on easier basic level questions, but you should be able to get them right and you should be able to do them quick. Remember that if you're sitting in the exam center and you think that exam बहुत easy है, then exam सबके लिए बहुत easy है, so you have to maximize your number of attempts so that you can score better than the average. Also, if you have some sort of vocabulary list या फिर you did WordPA made it easy, तो go through that because JIPMAT में actually vocabulary questions आते हैं. इस time पे do not get stressed out because if you get stressed out right now, you won't be able to do anything for the next 2 weeks. Stay confident and stay calm in these 2 weeks and during the exam. Leave all of your tension and worries outside of that exam center because if you are stressed in the exam, then easy से easy question नहीं solve हो पाता है. You've probably studied, you've probably done your part. Don't stress out now. Best of luck for the exam. I hope you do really well.